In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align images in Obsidian Notes. By the end, you'll know how to insert an image and then neatly center it or push it to the right using simple HTML inside your markdown note. Start by opening Obsidian and navigating to the note where you want the image to appear. Pick the exact spot in the note where the image should go because Obsidian will render it right where you place the code. Next, insert your image using standard markdown. The format is exclamation mark, open bracket, your alt text, close bracket, then open parenthesis, your image path or URL, and close parenthesis. Spoken out, that looks like exclamation mark, bracket alt text bracket, parenthesis image path or URL parenthesis. For example, you might type exclamation mark bracket, a descriptive caption bracket, parenthesis, path to image parenthesis. The alt text helps with accessibility and serves as a fallback if the image can't load. If your image is saved locally, point to its relative path inside your vault. If it's on the web, paste a direct image URL. In Obsidian, you can also drag and drop an image into the note, which inserts the markdown for you automatically. To center an image, wrap that markdown image line in a small HTML container. Obsidian supports inline HTML, which makes this easy. Place a div with a text-aligned style before the image, and then close the div after it. It will look like this when you type it. Angle bracket, div, space style equals quote text dash align, colon space center, quote angle bracket. Then your markdown image line, and finally angle bracket slash div angle bracket. Switch to reading view to confirm. The image should sit neatly in the middle of the page. If you don't see the change, make sure the div opens before the image and closes after it, with no stray characters. To align an image to the right, use the same approach but change the alignment value. Wrap the image with a div whose style says text-align right, so it becomes angle bracket div style equals quote text dash align right, quote angle bracket your markdown image, and then angle bracket slash div angle bracket. In reading view, the image will shift to the right edge, allowing your text to flow naturally around it above and below. That's all you need. Insert the image with markdown, then wrap it with a simple HTML div to center or right align it. Keep your note tidy, preview as you go, and you'll have clean, professional-looking layouts in Obsidian.